This is my F700 we use for our business. It's got the 10-foot dump bed. Really good for tight, hard to get to spots that the big trucks can't get to. You can legally haul up to 8 tons. It's got the 7.8 liter inline Brazilian Ford diesel that everyone loves to hate. I can't tell a whole lot. We're gonna do a cold start. It was 29. It was 19 degrees last night. It's currently 23 degrees. It hadn't been crunk up in 2 days. It's got the 5-speed with the 2-speed rear end. Let's see what goes in. Well, that took a little longer than usual. But it is a diesel. That's it. Tonight's property maintenance.